to my channel. So I have been decorating for fall over the past week, pecking here, pecking there, you know, when I'm off of work and I actually feel like doing it. And I got my fall mantle done yesterday, and honestly I'm extremely happy with it. I love it, but it was just missing a little something, just a little something. And I'm like, I am going to make a paper banner for it, and I want it to be light and bright. I want it to be neutral with maybe just little tiny bits of color. When I'm done with the entire thing, I'll definitely show y'all a picture or a little short video of my fireplace and mantle, and y'all will see why then I chose to go that route. But you know, I thought y'all might like to go along with me as I create it. So this could be 1,500 part video, but here we go. All right, so I chose my my coffee dyed stenciled shimmery papers as the background, and I just ran them through my Cricut to get that scallop cut. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can cut the scallop yourself. It's easy enough. I just, you know, it was just easier for me to run it through the Cricut. If y'all know me at all, you know I hate the fussy cutting thing, and that was just easier. And I've got 5 panels, and they are about I think it was 8 inches. I did not bring my ruler. That doesn't look like quite 8. That's not 8 inches there. No, it was, this has to be, you know, I need my ruler, and then I will let y'all know. But y'all can see the size here. I have no idea, y'all, what I'm doing except for the palette color choices. So, yeah, here we go. I am on a break right now between classes. I still have one more class to go, but I went into work this morning and gave them a test. And after the test, I was like, as soon as y'all are done, get out, go home, not do anything else. So I've actually had quite a nice little productive morning with that break. I'm usually not home until, you know, close to around lunchtime, but today I was home a lot earlier, and I got a lot of my craft room clean. Not all the way. I'm not sure if it's ever all the way, except when I do a video for you guys. So yeah, it's been good. I've enjoyed it. Enjoyed the time. I miss crafting. I just don't have the time for it, you know, like I did before work, or like I even did last semester. Last semester I didn't have as many classes, and none of them started that early in the morning. I should have bought my protective piece. I do think that I will get that in just a minute, so I don't get glue everywhere. And I just, you know, I had a lot more time, but being 3/4 time is time consuming, very time consuming. But you know, gotta pay the bills, and working nearly full time is gonna help me do that. I just miss this. I miss it. I do. Okay. Now I've got a whole stack of fabric and fabric pieces and everything over here. It's just kind of crazy. could have gotten a little more organized before I started. Okay. No, that's not the one that I was looking for. And for those of y'all that I will get around to watching videos. I will. There are numerous people who really support me, and I like to support you as well. And well, yeah, I love watching all of y'all. I absolutely do, and y'all provide me with inspiration. I guess the point I'm trying to make is I'm not boycotting your channel or anything like that. I'm just really behind on everything in that manner. I'm liking that, except for that it's too much for right there. I need to soften it. And that would even be with a piece to come down. How much of that did I need? I could. No. Okay. I went and got my mat. And you know what, y'all? I almost forgot to distress these edges. And sometimes that's not a huge deal for me, but in this case it would be. Alright, I will I'll finish this one and I'll distress the other ones. Well, I'm not going to finish it, but I will finish with the back of it. Okay. Okay, honestly, I won't finish with the back of it because I already have things in my mind that I'm going to do as I progress, but I'll almost finish with the back of it. I'm gonna get this stuff put on. You know. Kind of like with the cupcake doilies, I use the same strategy in making this, and that I do glue things down right now, but I don't go back. But I go back later and put down my final really good securing down after I'm sure that I have everything where I want it and then I'm done. And that won't be until the very end when I have it all together. I don't know if I want to come around with more of that or do something else. I just burnt myself with the glue gun. I actually do really like that. I just kind of picked it up. Thought I'd just see how it went, but yeah, I like it. Okay. Excuse me. I like that. Unfortunately, I like the whole entire piece, and I don't want to use the whole entire piece. Oh well, almost the whole entire piece. Let me see here. I need to at least use to right there to get the look that I'm going for. You know what, I'm going to use it. I am. Okay, let's see. I can cut that off there. Sometimes you got to give the heart what it wants. And sometimes it wants almost the whole entire applique. All right, while that dries, I will just distress these. Can't wait to share with y'all the little bit of color that I'm going to add there. A new digital kit that I'm about to release, hopefully today or tomorrow. So y'all won't see this video today, but it will, excuse me, it will be soon. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I think it's just beautiful. And I honestly didn't know what I was going to use for this, and then I created those and I'd already had it printed out, and I was just messing around with a bunch of stuff, and I picked that up and I was like, I wonder if, oh my goodness, that is so pretty, yes. And it's just going to add that little tiny bit of color that I'm wanting, and I just think it's going to be really pretty. All right, y'all, I know that it was quick, and I know I'm not all the way done with this, but I am done with the back like I wanted to be, and the back of one at least. But I do have to go now because I have to go eat lunch, and my husband's home for lunch, and then I've got to go back to work. Maybe I'll be able to get to a part 2 this evening. Anyway, I hope that y'all like the start of it, and thank y'all for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye.